Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aditi Sanghi. Today I'm here to introduce a scheme, Chhota Investor, the small investment service to you. Let me introduce this scheme first. So, what is the aim of this scheme? We all know that our country, India, is far more behind than the other countries in investing in stock market. As we all can see from the data provided, that around 3.7% people of India invest in stock market and around 56% of US people invest in stock market according to the data of 2021. So this scheme provides loans to the people who wants to invest in stock market. uh, so these are the target population of this scheme: college student who is from the age between 18 to 25 years, and housewives who are from the age group of 35 to 55 years. So there are some reasons why people don't invest in stock market. First is gambling. People compare gambling and stock market. Uh, as we all know that gambling is a really bad, or basically it is a tool which can destroy people's life. And by comparing these two entities, gambling and stock market, people create a negative image of stock market in their minds. Second, risk. Okay, so we know that stock market poses a great risk uh, for our family's financial management. We know that stock market is we know that we can earn a great return on stock market, but also risk and return go hand in hand. So it is not always it is not a golden rule that you will earn this percent of return on the stock market. There is always a risk associated to this that return. Third is financial issues. So we are targeting people from lower middle class families. So they don't have enough money to invest in stock market. So these are some of the reasons of why people don't invest in these securities. Okay, scheme implementation. So how this scheme works? So the minimum loan amount which we are providing is rupees 500 rupees at an interest rate of 8% per annum. Okay, so according to the data, historical average stock market return is 10% yearly, and we are taking an assumption that you invest the whole amount of rupees 500 in a stock which provides average return, that is 10%. It can provide greater return also, but we are taking an assumption of average return. So you will earn profit of rupees 550, and the loan to be repaid to us is rupees 540. So in conclusion, you will earn rupees 10 rupees even without using a single penny of yours. So this is how this scheme works. Additional services, financial advice. As we know that people don't have a much investment knowledge, they don't know which stock they should invest. So we are providing them financial advice also, till the point until they feel comfortable in investing them their own. Second is less paperwork. So loan provided included a vast amount of paperwork, and you know depositing many documents and all. But if we are providing them loans and all the needs in less amount of paperwork, they don't have to go through the complicated process. Third is free demat and bank account. We are providing them a platform with of which with a free demat and bank account. We are opening a free demat account for them at no cost. So this is all from my side. Thank you.